Kebra Kanela is a subdivision of the city of Praia, located on the island of Santiago, Cabo Verde. There is nothing like a morning walk on the beach at the break of day. As the sun rose from above, the footprints became more visible in the sand and reminded me of the countless amount of people who had walked this beach before.
I'm first human being, so you see.
Yes, no doubt about it, man.
Like, nah, nothing compared to what I've been through.
Exactly.
Now,
No, but what doesn't kill you make you stronger. So all the ups and downs and the trials you've been through, this is all paying off right now. Here, I ran into a Nigerian brother, and we had a great discussion about life and living in Cabo Verde.
I really would have said you were a tourist immediately I saw you because it's not about the looks, it's just the vibe. You just know someone's different.
It's different.
You're very specific with your outfits.
Oh, yeah.
All black Adidas.
Oh, yeah.
All blue. Because I'm crazy with designers. So all
You gotta coordinate, man. You gotta coordinate. See, I used to be in fashion when I was younger.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I did fashion. I did. I was a model at one point. So I did all. This beach is a haven of tranquility and beauty. This is a place where people come to relax while enjoying the warm water and sharing a laugh or two. Kebra Kanela Beach is one of the best beaches in Santiago. Kebra Kanela is more than just a beach. This area is one of the more popular places in Santiago. The restaurants, clubs, nightlife, hotel, and shopping are all amazing. The people I've met along the way are also amazing. Stay tuned for an upcoming video on one of the restaurants and hotel here in Kebra Kanela. Once I'm done with my video series on Santiago, I will then shift my focus to São Vicente, Santo Antão, back to Fogo, Brava, and Maio. Sal Bovista and Sal Nicolau will come later. I hope to get over to Santa Luzia at some point, but only on a big boat.
So the feel of that memory's gone. Now I don't know your name. It wouldn't matter if I did anymore. Now I don't know your name. I'm afraid of what's under the floor.
On any given day, you don't know who you will run into or meet at Kebra Kanela. It could be one of your favorite singers, rappers, soccer players, content creators, or vendors. Please check out Vanessa's songs on YouTube. She is an amazing artist, and one of her latest tracks is called Violenza. This song here in the background was done by Zeru. Please see his amazing video and song on YouTube. You're going to love it. If you want to have some more fun, you can get your jet skis from Stoppy right here on the beach.
Santiago de mel, buscavo na mapa, panassi na buraga, do dia que Deus põe amor, lá na fundo da Chiquimo, Santiago, dentro de mim, do dia que Deus põe amor, lá na fundo da Chiquimo, Santiago, dentro de mim, ilha de meu coração, Santiago, Uchuba, Mar de Prata, o Seca, lágrimas no olho, João de dor, meu sofrimento é maior. Santiago de mel, nasce para você grande, corpo de Deus, santo generoso. Os filhos lutam na escravatura, conquista a liberdade e na rebeldia de todo dia. Não vira vadio de corpo inteiro. Santiago de mel, nasce para você grande, corpo de Deus, santo generoso. Luta na escravatura, conquista a liberdade e na rebeldia de todo dia. No vira vadio de corpo inteiro. E o Santiago, Santiago de mel. Liberdade e na rebeldia de todo dia, no viravadio de corpo inteiro. E o Santiago, Santiago de mel, Santiago maior, Santiago melhor.
Stay tuned for more upcoming videos from this series. Also, if there is a place you would like for me to visit, please let me know in the comments. Because as I mentioned before, my next stops will be São Vicente, Santo, back to Fogo, Brava, and Maio.
Nasce para você grande, corpo de Deus, santo generoso. Os filhos lutam na escravatura, conquista a liberdade e na rebeldia de todo dia, no viravadio de corpo inteiro. Santiago de mel, nasce para você grande, corpo de Deus, santo generoso.
Yeah, so that's good. Okay, nice. All right, man.
Luta na escravatura, conquista a liberdade e na rebeldia de todo dia, no viravadio de corpo inteiro.
Beauty is often defined as skin deep, but beauty is way more than the eyes can see. There is nothing like a dance-off in the sand where everyone is a winner. Love it. The beauty of a soul is rooted in kindness, compassion, empathy, and love. Another great day in Cabo Verde, and as it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Until we meet again, the journey continues. Till Ogo.